Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at the different type of flashers relay, see what's inside them and learn how they work. We'll find out why cheap flashers fail and which one is the best choice. And finally, I also show you the wiring diagrams for each type of the flashers relay. Let's get started. Here I have a cheap motorcycle flasher that you can buy just $1 or $2. Unfortunately, these flashers are not good quality at all and burn out so quickly. As you can see, this is not working. Let's open it and see what's inside. This type of flasher are considered electronics, and as you can see, it uses cheap ND parts. They burn out fast if there's short circuit or too much current. In my opinion, it's not worth buying. What do you think? Let me know in comment. But here I have a couple of old Japanese flasher that look really nice. You see that? It's very beautiful. These two are from the classic motorcycle, about 40 years old, but they're still working perfectly. Do you know why? I show you. Let's open it and take a look inside. I chose this one first, Mitsuba flasher. Wow, amazing. Look at that quality. It's very beautiful. This type of flasher is fully mechanical and has very interesting design. Look, as you can see, it's made of two contacts. One is fixed and other moving. And here they are insulated with fiber sheet to prevent short circuit. You can see. And here you can see tin wire. Look, which is the heart of this flasher. It's actually bimetal strip made of two different metal, a special alloy that expands and contracts at a certain temperature. Check the specification on it. It's a Mitsuba flasher, 6.4 V. It's a standard voltage of this flasher. The higher voltage can damage 8 W in 2 plus 1.7 W. It means it can handle two 8-watt bulb in each direction, left and right, plus a 1.7 watt small bulb for indicator light. 85 cm, which means the turn signal flashes about 85 times per minute. And this is the serial number. Let's test it, how it works. Electric current flows through the flasher and reach the bimetal from this wire, a positive. And when connected to the lamp, the current hit the bimetal because the bimetal has electrical resistance and make it bend and open the contacts. If it cools down quickly, the bimetal strains and the contacts close again. Look. And repeating this process make the bulb blink. So beautiful. Wow. Changing the contact gap make the flasher blink faster or slower. Look. It's slower now. We're gonna close again. You can see it's very interesting, right? Let's also take a look this one. It's a Nippon Densu flasher, and also this. Let's open it and see what's inside them. It's very beautiful. Unlike the Mitsuba model, this type is electromechanical. The specs are almost the same as the previous version, you can see. But instead of using a bimetal strip, it's using a coil. When current flows through it, create a magnetic field that pull the contact closed, like that. And usually resistor and capacitor are used to control and limit the current. We have an empty place here, you can see. In this model, you can even add extra resistor manually to adjust the flasher sensitivity. You can see. It's interesting, right? But this wire, the blue wire, where is going? You tell me in the comment. Here also we have a 12-volt version. Let's open it and see what's inside them. Wow, look at that design. Magnificent. Look, the platinum. It's almost the same design. You can see, but we have a capacitor here. In this design, also use a capacitor and resistor to control the coil current. Let's go to test it. First, I'll test with a 112-volt lamp. B is a battery, L is a load. Look. As you saw, the current wasn't enough, so it didn't work. Now I added another lamp. There we go, it's working now. It sounds great, yeah? It's really nice. Look at that platinum. As you can see, the design is so well made that you can easily replace the part without any soldering. Look, remove the resistor, very easy. That's it. And the capacitor. Just like that. Very beautiful. Remember, changing the capacitor resistor value will speed up or slow down the flasher. Now let's take a look at the flasher diagrams for cars and motorcycles together.
Thanks for watching. What you saw today is just the beginning. There's a lot more coming. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next project. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.